welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are The Mathurs and you can see I am yet again ready और कुछ again होने वाला है. Celebrations are still not over. Today is Aira's Havan at home and obviously we had to do one after her first birthday. So this is also a celebration. तो इसलिए मैंने ये Indian outfit पहन लिया है and I am ready for that matter. My voice is, you can see, थोड़ा सा दबी हुई है. I have not recovered from yesterday. The reason why I have not recovered, not only because of the celebration, but because of the getting the setup and getting the house done, all of that. So I have been on my feet continuously, I think, since the celebrations started. From Rohini's birthday to Abhishek's birthday to Aira's birthday, I have been on my feet. So literally, I'm really happy that all of this has happened and we've had so much fun and we've made so many memories. लेकिन अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा थक गई हूँ. अब मेरा गला भी थक गया है. I don't think my body and my voice can do anything more. But anyways, today we are going to do a puja in the house, which is very important for all of us and obviously for Aira because it's for her. और आज होगा पूजा का खाना, which is my favorite food. And उसके बाद जो नींद आती है, guys, it's literally the best. I will definitely take you guys through how much ever I can because मैं अपना camera नहीं निकाल सकती while the havan is happening. So if I can get a few snips and shots of it, then definitely I will put them in the vlog. But let me show you what I am wearing first. Oh shit, I don't know where my dupatta is. Okay, let me first find that. So this is what I'm wearing, guys. It's actually a really old suit of mine. I got it made जब मेरी शादी हुई थी. उस time से है मेरे पास ये suit, but it still looks so nice and pretty. And I love the dupatta. और मैंने ये जुत्तीस पहनी है which are silver color because ये भी थोड़ा silver काम है इस पे. My voice does not go with my body right now. My voice does not go with my body right now. No difference. I still sound like a crazy man. So guys, this is what the house looks like next morning after Aira's birthday celebration. ये सारा सामान आज शाम को जाएगा. यहाँ carpets लग गए हैं for the havan to happen. And over there is all Aira's birthday gifts, which we still have to open many. So many. That is given by Diksha. That is given by Abhinav and Rohini. That's given by Kapish. That's given by my mom. That's given by Aisha auntie. That's given by her chachi, Bua. And that's given by her mommy. And lots of presents still have to be opened. Oh my god, I have to keep these roses in a flower pot. I forgot. This beautiful bundle was given by Mika and Anurag. I'm just going to put these roses. This is our Pandit ji. इनने ही हमारी शादी कराई थी अभिषेक और मेरी, है ना पंडित जी? जी। याद है आपको? बड़ा अच्छा दिन था.
बहुत बढ़िया दिन था. जब से ऐसे जुड़े हैं कि आज तक नहीं छूटे.
बिल्कुल. तो और आज क्या हो रहा है पंडित जी? आज क्या कर रहे हैं?
आज हमारी बिटिया का जन्मदिन की पूजा कर रहे हैं हम.
हाँ जी, आयरा की आज पूजा है और बहुत सुंदर तरीके से भगवान गणेश जी, माँ लक्ष्मी, नवग्रह, कलश देवता. बिल्कुल. थैंक यू सो मच पंडित जी. थैंक यू.
सर्वदा सर्वकारेषु नास्तिदेषां मंगलम येषां हृदयस्थो भगवान मंगलाय. भक्तये स्वाहा. इदं व्यानाय इदं नमः. ओम उदानाय स्वाहा.
मट्ठी दही भल्ला, हलवा, आलू, I don't know, and पूरी. अरे चने नहीं बनाए इसने? Shit. Right now. It's a car for my little Schwindel.
ध्यान से गोडू.
Who's gonna drive this?
गोडू ध्यान से.
Yeah, I love it.
अरे उस पे चाकू का निशान पेंट पे नहीं आना चाहिए.
This car.
उस साइड से भी.
What is this? Aira's car. Aira's car.
On the car that she got.
Aira's car.
रियर व्यू मिरर संभाल के.
So cute.
I just said I didn't want to do anything.
चलो हो गया ऑलमोस्ट.
This is why.
I love you.
चलो.
I love you.
ये हुई ना बात. बच्चा कैमरा पे है ये सब.
Oh, hello there. That's my girl. Bye. See ya. Bye. Wow. So guys, पूजा भी खत्म हो गई है, लंच भी खा लिया है, and I told you जब मैं पूजा का खाना खाती हूँ I get really sleepy and that's what's happening. We played with Ira, as you saw, Ira's car that was gifted by Taiji and Tauji. She was enjoying it. And my brother, who's Ira's mamu, also got Ira a car, which we will open in the evening and then she can ride that too. So now, Iru, what are you doing, Shrizi? So Ira and mommy are chilling now. Mommy, I mean by me. My mother's gone home. But she'll come back soon. और मैं अपने लिए चाय बनाने वाली हूँ and then I'm going to take a nap. I'm so sleepy and Ira's also going to take a nap. Guys, we have stepped out. The weather is amazing, but we have not stepped out because of the weather. हम इतने थके हुए हैं, but actually I have to pick up something from my mother's house, so we're going there. If you guys saw Ira's first birthday vlog, then you would know that how much it was raining and it was very tough to take pictures because बहुत dark हो गया था. But you know what, we still pulled through and everything was amazing. तो आज का वेदर बिल्कुल ही अच्छा है because of the crazy rain yesterday. और prediction है कि this entire week is going to be raining. So I'm really excited. I love this weather. And even Abhishek loves this weather, है ना?
Yep. It always rains on my birthday.
It always does, but it didn't this time.
It did. In the evening it started raining.
No, hardly. Your
What do you
birthday
mean?
didn't.
It was rain.
A lot of you keep asking me, how have you lost so much weight? How have you lost so much weight? Guys, I've lost so much weight because I work out. I work out every single day. Only this week I haven't worked out much because first of all I got my periods. Second of all, it was, you know, when the function started in our house, इतने ज़्यादा हो गए थे कि by the end of it that was my workout. Like I didn't want to exert myself कि मैं दूसरा दिन तो मतलब attend ही ना कर पाऊँ. And you know, when you're doing things at home, you have to be on your feet. You have to entertain people. You have to, you know, make sure everything is done. तो मेरे लिए वही workout थी because I was obviously you know, it wasn't my birthday, so I was like the, you know, labor. So literally getting everything done was a huge responsibility, and that was literally my workout. Basically, I was telling you, other than that, I work out 4 times in a week. I'm on a strict diet. I am dieting, and my diet does not mean that मैं salad खाती हूँ और मैं soups पीती हूँ. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. मैं घर का खाना खाती हूँ, रोटी खाती हूँ, चावल खाती हूँ, but everything in quantity and nothing too crazy. I do not have any sugar. Yes, मैंने केक खाया था because obviously it was Abhishek's birthday, Rohini's birthday, Ira's birthday, so I had to do that, but that's okay. Now back to, you know, no sugar at all. And वैसे भी मैं कोई sugar लेती नहीं हूँ. Nor do I have sugar in my chai, nor do I have sugar in my coffee. So like actually there's no sugar that I'm having. So that's also a huge cut down for me. And besides that, another lifestyle change that I made was that I just stopped munching at night. I think that was a huge lifestyle change for me. I'm huge into munching and that's something I needed to stop. And whenever I feel hungry at night, मैं एक glass दूध पी लेती हूँ. Yeah, I just have, you know, some fruits or something. So that has really helped me. And if you really are the kind of person who likes to have something sweet after your meal, then have a date, because that's what I do. So I literally have 2 dates when I'm feeling that urge. And वैसे भी dates बहुत healthy होती है. So definitely you can add 2 dates in your daily lifestyle. It's very healthy. So just make these changes, guys, and definitely you will see a huge change. Become strict and be on a, you know, just walk regularly or just exercise regularly. That will really help. And Abhishek also, I have put him on a very strict diet because he needs to lose weight. I mean, अगर आपने उसका वीडियो देखा था, his birthday video में जो मैंने इसके लिए वीडियो बनाया था, little snippets that I could show you guys on the vlog, you saw how thin he was, like super duper thin, so thinner than me. So literally he needs to go back to that. Okay, he doesn't have to be as thin as me, but like he needs to really get back to his fitness. He's always been a fit guy, so I'm very thin now, and no matter what, any challenges come my way, I have to make sure that Abhishek loses weight. So yes, I really request you guys, if you guys are on a weight loss you know, thing, then please be careful. Don't do any keto, all of that until and unless you do not know how it's done. Do consult a dietitian and consult people before you get into anything. Don't do any fad diets. Do not get into all these things because honestly you don't know how your body will react. मैंने ये सब नहीं किया. I just took it easy. I just, like I said, I just have my घर का खाना, but my quantities are measured, and you know I don't go overboard with eating. So that's about it. I hope it helps you all. This entire bhashan that I've given. Now I'm just going to relax because अब मैं थक गई हूँ बात कर करके. Guys, I got myself a coffee from Starbucks. Bloody hell, itni lambi line thi. It was so crazy, and I think the staff was also pretty slow this time. So it literally took me 20 minutes to get this one drink. Anyways, I got myself an iced latte with almond milk, which is usually my staple drink. Abhishek ke liye main kuch nahi लाई because he likes the matcha and that has sugar. And आपको पता है जो मैंने इतना बड़ा लेक्चर दिया था, Abhishek is not allowed any of it, and he's on a strict diet. Am I right or am I right?
I hate you.
We've just reached home. I mean, my mother's house. To just pick up, and Abhishek still doesn't know the way to my house. You should be ashamed. Been married for going to be 6 years.
Hello, hello, hello.
Guys, check out the weather. It's so gloomy and beautiful. I can't wait to reach home. But now I want to have my coffee and just relax and put Ira on the jhula and just chill, hai na? That's the kind of vibe.
And tomorrow's holiday. Just chill,
Chill, just chill. Like, why did you remember that song? Damn, guys, it's started pouring. Like I literally just said that the weather is gloomy, और ये देखो. Wow, it's amazing. So guys, we are ending the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. Please हमारे channel को subscribe करना मत भूलिएगा. Give us a thumbs up, and हम आपको जल्द से जल्द in our next vlog मिलने वाले हैं. By the way, celebrations are still not over. Abhishek and my anniversary is coming up, which is on the 25th of July. So there is a special surprise. So make sure you guys press the bell icon to be notified with our newest vlog and what we're going to get up to for our 6-year anniversary. We're going to see you guys super soon. Till then, take care, stay safe, and lots of love. Bye.